Hello, we're Brock and Betty, and today we're going to show you our recipe of salmon with a peri peri pesto crust on a bed of runner beans.
And to spice it up, we're going to be using the MAHI Peri Peri Hot sauce, and we'll also be making this recipe dairy free. So let's get cracking.
Preheat the oven to 200 and soak the cashews for 15 minutes. In a food processor, add the basil, the cashews, garlic, olive oil and lemon juice and season with salt and pepper. Then add the MAHI Peri Peri Hot sauce. Once you've added all your ingredients, you can whiz it all together. Blend it for about 30 seconds. Line a baking tray and spoon the pesto on top of the salmon.
Bake for roughly 12 minutes in the oven until the salmon is cooked through.
Cut the ends off the runner beans and add them to the steamer. Plate up and enjoy.
And there you have it, our salmon with peri peri pesto. Should we try some?